ó wá pẹ̀gbẹ́ ẹ̀ jáde àbí kí ló dé.
àtúnjẹ dá mi mo ka orun mú mi.
orun mú ẹ.
Màámi ẹ máa wo lẹ̀wẹ̀ má dára yín láàmú ẹ jókòó.
kí ló dé ògbọ́n ẹgbẹ́ ẹ sọ pé orun mú láti inú.
wọ́n tún ti gbá wọn ni.
ege.
kọ́sítọ́mà dáadáa ni wọ́n.
ó tún ti lọ dowó nù lọ́dún.
Màámi mo ti sọ fún wọn pé tán bá fẹ́ lọ àjàbí umra Ali Yusuf International Travels and Tours ní kó bá lọ àìmọye èèyàn tí mo ti introduce wọn tó yẹn pé wọ́n délé báyìí wọ́n ń dúpẹ́ ni ziyara ọ̀fẹ́ ní Mecca àti Medina accommodation wọn kò lẹ́gbẹ́ hospitality wọn báyìí 100% ni hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì tó máa gbà fún yín báyìí ẹgbẹ́ aram ló máa wà mo ti sọ fún àwọn ni wọ́n gbọ́.
Ali Yusuf.
kí ló tún dúró dé máa bọ̀ ní Ali Yusuf International Travels and Tours tó kalẹ̀ sí nọ́mbà 50 Ìṣàgá road Owódélé bus stop along Blue road Sùúrùlérè Lagos 08035124441 ọ́fíìsì wa wà nílùú Ìlọrin Ìbàdàn Ọ̀yọ́ Ayétòrò Ali Yusuf International Travels and Tours ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run.
ojú tó lé tẹlifíṣàn lóde ẹ̀yin ará ẹ̀ mọ́ wá o ó mọ́gbọ́n wá ó tún mú làákàyè wáyé ojú tó lé tẹlifíṣàn là ń fẹ́ o ojú tó lé tẹlifíṣàn là ń fẹ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wá ojú tó lé tẹlifíṣàn ó ní ẹ máa wò nígbà gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ bá bẹ nílé ẹ ń bẹ nínú mọ́tò ni ọ̀ ń bẹ níbi iṣẹ́ oníṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ìwọ lákọ̀wé bọ́ wà níléèwé ńkọ́ máa ń wojú tó lé tẹlifíṣàn bó jẹ́ níṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ni ọ́ bó ṣe níṣẹ́ oṣù ojú tó lé tẹlifíṣàn ní bàbá kàmbólójọba nínú mú ẹ̀wọ̀n pojú tó lé tẹlifíṣàn ìjọba láàrin gbogbo tẹlifíṣàn ìpátápátá.
yàtọ̀ fúlọ̀ ní Spain olùjẹ́ kí n fẹ́.
ẹ tó yẹ kẹ́ pàdé ìyàwó yín yẹn.
olùjẹ́ kí n pàdé
àtúbí lòun.
ẹ báwo ni àwáyé báwo lè ṣe ṣe prọfẹ̀tì lé nìyẹn. jẹ believe ní agbára football. yeah because I'm a footballer. okay footballer ni mi. so this man died 1475.
He's Spanish man, eh?
Spanish Italian man.
Italian man, okay.
He's a cardinal.
Okay.
I met him in the cardinal road.
Okay.
He is France. So the man died in 1475. I was born in 1958.
What's your connection with somebody who died several, like 2-3 centuries ago?
Because he never died. He was roaming about.
I saw him
visit Glory.
When?
That was in Paris in 1977.
Ẹ̀yin lọ Paris.
Paris mo wà nígbà yẹn tó fi rí. But my time sorry, yóò ti wọnú mi sípẹ́ ní 1958.
So what's the message here today? The
message here today is that people should focus on reincarnation. Reincarnation is better than any religion.
Reincarnation?
Reincarnation, yeah. Because reincarnation is that means that people didn't die. The concept pé àwọn èèyàn kú wọ́n lọ sọ́run wọ́n lọ sí kìíní is wrong.
So Tombe.
Even now, no sir.
People roam in the street because this man who died in 1475.
So my mommy that died like 9 years ago, where is she now? My mom died 9 years ago.
She's roaming around. She's not there.
Is it around here or somewhere else?
It can be somewhere else. This man I'm talking about died in Spain. 1475. I was born in 1958 in Ibadan. So there is a connection between me and this man.
And then he ain't been with you
for 51 years. This now you tell me how do I get my wife?
Okay. Let's go.
This is the man who gave me the information to get the wife.
Italian man, yeah.
Italian Spanish man.
Spanish, okay. Italian Spanish, okay.
Yeah. Look me information to fair Yabo who are Nigeria. Because that was my 15th year in Europe. And I know nobody again. I was lost. So the man said, the woman I wanted to marry is a French woman. He said, they will not allow me to marry her. The wife I'm going to marry is Yabo, is in Nigeria.
So ni party then yet song gbogbo ele fún yín.
Yeah. That's very good. That's a good question. So when I came back to Nigeria, it was a strange country for me because I've left Nigeria for about 50 years. So anyway, the spirit took me to where this man is. He only came to marry, but not until.
So she never had any child for you.
Never had a child.
And where's Iyabo now?
She dead.
Ó ti kú again.
Ó ti kú, èmi lọ sí gbọ̀ngàn ọ̀dá sí.
Àwọn family wọn kọ́ family ẹni ẹ̀ ń kọ́.
Wọ́n wà fẹ́ tó wá nù gbogbo wọn. Now the connection, how does I connect me, this cardinal man, because you know what the cardinal is?
Yeah.
The cardinal. This
Catholic priest Catholic church.
I met him in a cardinal road in France. How did they connect three of us? How did God connect three of us? How did Allah connect them?
Yeah, and go.
Now, I say 451. 451. Never worry, but my in 1475. Since 1958. Can you calculate the year? Since my 1475. I'll be in 1958. Nibado. Tell you calculate the year.
I'm going sir.
451. 451 means the house I was living, number 4. Which street? Church of Yaba. Then, where I'm living now, Osho, is number 5. It was built, the house was built by my father. I was living there. One, how did one came out? One came out by the house my late wife built.
She built a house.
A house.
Yeah, Iyabo abi.
Yabo. That is the house address is 14. Now calculate 451. The time the man died, the Italian cardinal man. So the time I was born is 451 years.
Sir, my question, initially, you know,
I'm a priest.
before you go into priesthood, you got to
I'm a footballer.
Brother.
I played in the evening, 5th division.
Well, I play for Nigeria.
No, go play by GT. Then Nikon.
Sir, nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ
Before I
yìí.
left.
Are you talking about Akudaya?
No,
Okay, kí ni yàtọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ àti Akudaya?
Atubi now. You know Iyabo now. What is the meaning of
Ìyàbọ̀
Iyabo?
ẹ̀kọ́ ìyá tó ló ti lọ. Àwọn
padà wá.
Yorùbá bì ní. Bàbá tó lé náà, bàbá tó ti lọ.
That's right. That's the incarnation.
So it's real.
It's real.
Then how can we transform that into religion?
Because this man is I tell you, he's a cardinal.
Yeah.
People, man, pope, come on, your pope. We met in a cardinal room in France. And he explained all these things to me. He said, French people will never allow me to marry my friend.
Okay, you are the French man.
I want to marry her. But this man tells me, French people, government will never allow me to marry her. That my wife is
Nigeria.
Nigeria that I've left 15 years ago.
Sir, after Iyabo, did you remarry?
No, not yet.
Why?
Because I don't want to marry now.
But because number one, ẹni kò bímọ fún yín.
Bímọ fún mi.
Wẹ̀yìn ti bímọ.
Ẹ ti bímọ àbí?
Èmi ti bímọ. Nígbà tó wà láyé náà ni mo bí fún.
Ẹ ń fẹ́ ẹ tún níyàwó mi ni.
Nígbà tí ó ká wà for 70 years.
Okay.
Okay.
You have children with another woman.
Wọ́n á mú ìyàwó lé ìyá bímọ fún wa. Ó dẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ Ìyábọ̀.
Ìyàbọ̀ dẹ̀ bínú.
Then ìjẹ́ tiẹ̀ láǹfààní láti tún rí Iyabo mọ́ gbàdúrà pé àtúnbí wà ẹ látúnbí wà pé kò kú ṣe tún rí lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó ti kú lọ́dọ̀ tí.
Ó ti lọ jẹ́ ìyọ̀bọ̀ ìtọ́lọ̀ ti mú lọ. It is God who organizes this, not me. The man I'm talking about, èmi kọ́ ni mo pàdé ẹ̀, Ọlọ́run ló mú wá fún mi.
So this peace kìlẹ̀fẹ́ fún àwọn ẹ̀dá kìlẹ̀fẹ́ fáwọn èèyàn. What's the message?
The message is that all what is said in the Bible and the Quran that somebody will die and go to heaven is wrong.
But ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run ni.
Ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run is wrong. I said it's wrong.
So
Because this what happened to me. Wọ́n ṣe kìí ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan ló kọ́. Èmi ni mo sọ fún ìwé tó ṣẹlẹ̀ mo sọ fún.
kò sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí.
I can't say about that. But what I want to tell you is that reincarnation is more powerful.
Then what about Jesus? Where is Jesus?
I don't know.
Then after Iyabo ṣe ti rí another àtúnbí mi yàtọ̀ sí Iyabo.
No, not yet. I don't know. It's not in my power. It's God's power. It is God who arranged it. It's not me.
Sir, don't you think we're talking about reincarnation? Don't you think that Christians they believe that when you die, you go to heaven? Don't you think this reincarnation is just another just what people just believe and something that is just fallacy that is not?
It's real. That is why I'm taking it. Because it happens to me. It happens to me. It's not that you're going to read or listen to me. No, it happens to me.
Ìbàdàn.